GM, Mausama here. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit funds for DeFi Kingdoms by bridging your tokens to the Metis network. First, log in into the game by clicking Explore to Sunder Isles. This will automatically add Metis network to your MetaMask wallet. Click Docs, then go to Onboarding. Under Decentralized Exchange, click Hercules. We will be using Hercules Exchange to bridge tokens from your selected network to Metis network. Just connect your wallet here and then click cross-chain. Select the source network. For this sample, I'm going to use Arbitrum. And select the asset you want to transfer to Metis. For the destination, click Metis token. Because we need Metis for gas fee on Metis network. Input the amount you want to transfer, approve, and confirm the transaction. Make sure you have enough tokens for gas fee on your chosen network. For example, on Arbitrum, you need Ethereum for gas fees. After you have funds on Metis, now we're going to swap that Metis token to Jewel. Because Jewel is used to buy heroes on DeFi Kingdoms. Enter the desired amount you want to transfer to Jewel. Again, approve and confirm the transaction. Now that you have Jewel tokens, you now have funds to buy your heroes. Let's go back to DeFi Kingdoms. On the map, click Docs and go to Barkeep and select Buy Heroes. You can see here level 1 heroes cost 3 jewels. But I recommend you buy a higher level heroes to make your life easier in DeFi Kingdoms. From the filter, click Basic and then change the level 1 to level 9 and then click Apply. So now we have your Seer and Knight that only cost 9 to 10 jewels. So click Buy Hero. Again, approve and confirm the transaction. You will see a confirmation notification on the upper right corner. Congratulations! You just bought your first hero. To participate in Gap Quest of DeFi Kingdoms, you need to purchase 3 heroes. Just repeat the process and buy additional 2 heroes to complete the quest in DeFi Kingdoms. Thank you for watching.